What's going on, guys? Time for another garden update. I think today has been seems like 3 weeks and maybe 3 days since my first garden video, and if you hadn't watched my first video, I'll put in a little bit of footage of what my garden originally looked like. Seemed like in my first video, like I said, which was 3 weeks ago, my taters were barely coming up, and my corn maybe was like just a half inch of it was poking through the ground. And it's been doing a lot of raining, so I'm not going to step out into this garden a whole great deal. But let me show you what it's looking like. Alright guys, there's what it's looking like from this far end. And as you can tell, we are starting to finally make some real progress. I've not got all my tomatoes staked yet. I've got, I think I need about 18 more stakes. I think these are my hot banana peppers. There, and I still got some weeds I gotta take care of, but you can see starting to make some peppers. This pepper plant right here is looking really good. You can see right there in the center, right here, starting to make some peppers. Here. My tomatoes are looking really good. On this end of my garden, it seems like I got a lot more shade, and they've not grown nearly as good as these over here where the stakes are at. So let me you can see these right here are significantly taller. Some of them's actually over waist tall. This one right here, already as tall as my stake. Several of them that's actually as tall as a stake. They're looking really well. My rows of onions, which I need to get in here and get some weeds out, but it's been so rainy I've not been able to do a whole lot. The cabbage is all looking great. I've got 6 cabbage plants. And up here, I had to replant some stuff here a few weeks ago, but there's my squash. And I had a cucumber plant right here, but it just it didn't do nothing. And earlier in the year, I had planted just some cucumber seeds, and it took them forever to germinate, and I actually thought they weren't going to do anything, so I replanted some sets, and then all my seeds come up, which is what you're seeing. Right there, that's seeds that I'd planted, and these have got scattered. They got way out of my row. Right there's some more, and there's some more. Corn, three weeks ago, was barely coming up. I'll walk out here and give you an idea how tall this corn has got. got that tall in 3 weeks. So I'm thrilled to death about that. My taters, I'm thrilled to death with how they're doing as well. 3 weeks ago, these were barely coming up, and they look rough right at the moment because some of them's laid over because of all the rain and stuff we've had today. But now, again, 3 weeks ago, they were barely coming up. And I'll step out here and show you how tall they've got. So they're already waist tall. I've been checking them quite frequently, make sure I hadn't got any tater bugs on them. I had to start spraying some. All right, guys. Let me pan around here. That's what it's looking like. I meant to show you my lettuce. Done been eating on some of it, but a little. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. It's funny, especially like on my corn and my taters and my tomatoes too. I'm seeing progress just every day. So we're about a month in on our garden, so I can't complain. It's looking great. I'm tickled to death. Really excited about starting to get stuff out of it, so y'all stay with us.